Hello, Namaste. Welcome to Golang Beginner's Guide. Today we'll see a simple Hello World program in Go. So here, as you can see, I am on this page called tour.golang.org. So this Go playground. So this is a tour of a Go provided by Go itself. It's very nice playground where you can learn many more, all this Golang basics here. So do check it out whenever you get time. Yeah. So now let's see, let's go through one by one and let's try to understand this Hello World program. Okay. So for the first line, as you can see, it's a package me. So what this means is, so let's say why we use this package keyword. So let's say you have, multiple items. If you want to, put it in a very structured way, what you will do is you will, collect all the, items which are more, which are similar and put it in maybe let's say you have a boxes, you will put in, respective boxes. Let's say you have a socks is various you put in a box, maybe you can name that each of the box. You will say it's socks box, right? So this container which holds all these similar things, related things, we say it as a package in a Go. We also say sometime as a module as well. So yeah, the package represents that logical thing where we keep things, all the related things. Okay, so so you can give any name to package ideally, but here because Go has to know among all the packages which is the package that it should look first. So there has to be a gate, right? Like we enter in like if we want to enter anywhere, we need entry gate, right? In the similar way, the package name represents that this is the entry, entry package. So that's why we name it as a main. It's you can think as it's a reserve word, right? And then we have the one import, and you can see this says FMT. So FMT is a built-in library in the Go, which gives us a lot of utilities or functions which we can use to do some operations. Well, so here the import is a keyword which says that yes, you they want to use that particular package, right? Import that thing here, right? So that's it. So we can include as many as we want if you are using them, all right? So here we are using FMT, that's why we included it. And next you can see it, there is a keyword called func. So whenever we want to declare any, piece of chunk, we declare in like functions. So here you can see the func represents for the function. And then we have a function called main. So every function has will always have this, open and close brackets. And here the function name is main. So this is important that the entry point has to be main, package main, and the function name has to be main. Okay. So the syntax here, it's basically a reserved and it tells the Golang to execute. This is the starting point. Okay, so from here everything will whatever there inside this function will get executed. Yeah, so if you have some other code, it means you will call, you will execute all of that and your right. So yeah, that's it. This is the main, that is the entry point. So basically this is reserve work, you can think like that, right? And then we have a opening and closing bracket. So this represents a logical piece. So you can add how many lines you want, and it will be a part of this main definition. So everything that you put inside this, curly brackets will get executed. Okay. So next line you see it's a fmt.println. So what this means is, as I said, package, right? So similar to our main package, somewhere the FMT package is declared, right? And we are now able to import that package FMT, and that FMT has one function, similar to our function main. There is a function called println, and it is helpful to display something on the stream that we are using. So here it's a console, right? It's a standard output here, and we are passing this string. So whatever we pass here, it will get executed. So if I just run this, you will see it printed this hello world, right? So this is very simple hello world program. So hope this was helpful. Thank you for joining, and see you in next lesson.